So hi friend, this is Amit and here I am going to provide you the information regarding the Manipal University counseling, that is rank versus branch updated after first round. As you also know, first round cutoff is announced already. So here I am going to provide you the updated information, and for those students who think that first round is the last round, don't watch my video. I don't want your nonsense comment. Listen it carefully. Whatever cutoff I am providing you, that is up to third round and up to last round. It is not like in first round you will get the best one, and if you haven't got the seat, that is because of your rank, not because of my video. So try to behave well in the comment section. So here is the Bangalore campus. First, CSE 14,000 you can expect, up to 14,000 rank. CS will go for sure, and whatever seat they have given in first round, it is not like everyone will take the seat. And also this year they have started the counseling early, so maximum student have joined. It is not like every student is going to take the admission by paying the 2,40,000 now. So that's why it is important to keep patience and try to do the counseling carefully up to the last one. And for that, if you want my guidance, for paid guidance, then only try to contact me. I am not here for your confirmation. If you want to confirm what you can get at your rank, you can check this video. If you want to get the seat with a better counseling process, for that you can contact me through the number available or through the link in the description. You can register with me guidance. EC 18,000, electronics and computer 20,000, VLSI design 25,000, robotics and artificial intelligence 22,000. So this was about the Bangalore campus. Now I will discuss about main campus. CSE 5,000 up to 5,000, it will go 100% sure. Now tell me who we are saying that last year cutoff was this, that. Last year situation was different. Last year CSE specialization was separately available, but now CSE have been merged. All CSE specialization have been merged to CSE core. So last year cutoff was 2,000. Why this year 3.3 or 3.4 thousand? Now tell me the logic. Because all the seat has been merged, so it will go up to 5,000 for sure. Financial technology 6,000, mathematics computing 7.5. Now you can expect, because this year number of a student is more who is participating in counseling. No matter how many a student will take the seat, but ultimately it will be up to 6,000. And for mathematics computing 7.5 thousand, EC 8.5, cyber physical system 21, electrical engineering 17, EIE 20,000, mechanical 25, aeronautical and biotechnology 20 and 23, automobile, biomedical, chemical, civil, industrial production, you can get up to 38,000. And one more thing, once you are registered with my guidance, I will provide you all tips and tricks so that you can get the best, because there is no management quota here, so they will not sell the seat. They will provide you through merit only. If you will keep patience, do everything correctly up to the last, you will get the best one. So for that you can contact me, so that you will get all the tips, trick, how you need to get the best out of your rank. If you want, you can contact me in the next section. You can check the detail of my guidance also. Here I would like to provide you the complete information regarding my complete guidance and mentorship program for Manipal entrance test, that is MET 2025. As I am doing it from last 6-7 year, already 12,000 plus student I have guided. In my previous year video, you can check the detail about the complete prediction that was 100% correct. And here a step by step and one-to-one guidance on a video session, audio session, everything will be available to guide you for the counseling process. It is complete counseling support to get the best out of your rank. It is best campus and best branch as well. Once you register, you will get a very good service at very low and affordable price, and it will help to get the best branch and campus, because you are ready to pay lots of money to Manipal. So it is better to take a expert guidance and mentorship, so that you can get the best branch and campus. Thank you. Now I will discuss MUJ campus. CSE up to 36,000 you can get. That is the same as I predicted earlier. CES bioscience 38,000, ECELC VLSI 43,000, biotechnology, chemical, civil, mechanical 48 plus thousand. Now for Sikkim, already I told you earlier, the same data is CSE up to 40,000, IoT 42, CS computer science technology 41, EC 45, CS plus IT 43, AIML 43, data science 44, mechanical last, and means up to last rank also you can get, and electrical EC VLSI up to 50,000. So this was about the complete information regarding all campus, updated information after round 1. So I will be providing you all the updated information at the correct time. Just you need to subscribe this channel and stay tuned for all the update on the same channel. Thank you.